Yo, what's up guys, Divyansh here, and you are here at the third episode of Getting Verified on Instagram. And there is a good news for you all that now you can request for the verification badge, the blue tick, even on an Android phone. Now anyone can request for a verification badge, and in today's video we are gonna talk about the step-by-step process that how you can get the blue tick on your Instagram profile. So now without wasting any time, let's move straight into the video. So guys, before we get started, make sure you press the subscribe button along with the bell icon for future notifications. And guys, one thing more, that my request for verification has also approved. Only I have to submit some trademark registration document because TechParadise_ page is a business page, and maybe by next month our TechParadise page will be verified on Instagram. So the first thing you have to do is to update your Instagram application from the Play Store. But now the thing is that verification badge will be given only to those accounts who have a good standing in the social media. So if you are not popular on social medias and on search engine, and if you are not a public figure, then you will have to work a bit on your Instagram profile. So if a normal person will request for the verification badge, she will be rejected. And if you still want the verification badge on your Instagram profile, then you will have to watch this video till the end, and you will have to download an application named TechParadise InstaStats version 2 from the link given below in the description. So now, after installing the application, log in with your Instagram account and check your Instagram account statistics. So if there are 2 red marks as I shown earlier in my video, then you will have to work on average post likes and all. For this, avoid fake unactive followers. So if you are having 800 followers only and you are getting 650 plus likes, that means you have a good engagement ratio. So first, you will have to remove unactive followers. After that, delete the post with least likes. So it will help in increasing the average likes per post. And after that, ask your friends for S4S, that is short out for shout out, on Instagram, and then gain Instagram active followers. And when your Instagram account statistics will be only 1 red mark, your account is in good standing. So now you can request for the verification badge. So now for this, go to your profile, then go to the settings. Scroll down and here you will see an option named request verification. Just tap on that. Here you will have to fill some basic information like your full name, same as on your identity proof. In category, select other. And in photo ID, you can use Aadhaar card, driving license, passport, etc. They only need a government issued photo ID, proof with your full name and the date of birth. And now for business page or for organization, you will have to submit tax filing, trademark registration document, utility bill, article of incorporation or other business document. So after that, send your details. After the submission, you will have to wait for 2 weeks. If you have followed all the steps properly, then you will get the verification badge for sure. Here it has been written that blue tick is for that account that is the authentic presence of a notable public figure, celebrity, global brand or entity it represents. Submitting a request for verification does not guarantee that you will get that your account will be verified. But if you will follow the tips I shared in today's video, then you will get the verification badge for sure, even if you are having 500 followers. Here you can see that there are many accounts which has very less followers, even less than 1000 followers, and they are verified on Instagram. So I hope you all enjoyed this video a lot, and guys, do follow me on Instagram at TechParadise_ for future updates. And guys, if you have any question in your mind regarding this video, please put a comment below in the comment section. And if you guys like this video, give this video a thumbs up and do subscribe to our YouTube channel for more videos on tech. I am Divyansh Sharan, and I'll catch you in the next one.